you guys, from what I've been seeing, from what you have been doing, you have been using external CSS in long, Abi. So you guys should be very happy to do this kind of thing.
I used to use external CSS.
That's not even because
You use them too.
Now what's the why they use them? Why they go external? Me, I will go up.
let's say don't do one for
I was it no. I was it no.
External CSS is used for when you have multiple pages. So in this example, I'll be using external CSS for this kind of thing. So what I'll do is this. All this code. This one is using internet. I will copy all the code and make an CSS file and I'll link it. So as to be easy for you guys to understand. Control X. Okay, so I'll make another CSS file. Open it and just name it. Header style. Header style.css. Header style CSS. Then paste it. Then go to header. Then link it. No need for this one again. Remove this. Check your link. LINK. Then CSS. Then header style. This is stress me every time. Okay, so let's go. If I come back and refresh, let us see, will it work? Everything's still working. Have you? You didn't hear? Same, continue. Okay, so now since we have a one CSS file, it means that if I am making another page, if I'm making another page, I don't need to make CSS again, or I need to just to link it to this one file. So what we'll do is this.
This guy's confusing me, please. Why they show me video to watch?
Okay, so see, come back here. I'm going to make this assignment first. Remember, I'm saying I'm teaching you how to make another page and link it. So normally, some people can make a website that all the things for the website will be in one place. For example, continue. So, for example, let me say a website. The website is for the portfolio website. The portfolio can be simply one page, meaning that every time on the website about the contacts, the blog, all those things can be in one place. Testimonial down there, footer down there. So, example of what I've been doing for one page website is what you have been doing on this one. Sign up form. I'm not sure it's here. So that's managed, that easy bank, all those things I was doing this why. That is an example.
Which is the bank?
It's not here. Right, so that's an example of it. That's a one-page website. So let me first make a one-page website, then I'll make multiple pages. So first, I will just make it look as if it's multiple, there's more content. I will just make a div, and I will give this div let me just style, use the inline so I can make it fast. And I'll give it like a height of 100 VH. Then give it a VH means 100% of the whole screen. It will be like the height of the screen. If the screen is smaller, it will also be 100% of it. So I don't make it stretch so it will be so as if something is there. So you see the color 2px solid wait. And just like text inside there like this one is about, so I'm not using H2, sorry, use H2, not H1. H1 should really found once, so this one will be about, this one will be okay, so they're about, yes. Then you give this an ID, it will be about. Why am I using about? It is so that if anybody taps on this about, it will take them to somewhere. That is that ID of about. Let's put hash about. This should match this. If I carry my control key and tap on this about, you see it to take me here. You sure that it is going to take me. So all you need to do is to do the same thing that I just did now. I'll copy and paste two more. I'll change this one to contacts. Change this one to contacts. Change this one to blog. Change this one to blog. Okay, so I will just come up back. Say this should be hash contacts. And this this should be hash blog. So when I come,
no hash.
you did now. Okay, when you drink Gary, so if you refresh this time, if you refresh and you see, scroll down, you say I have blog, you have about, you have contact. If anybody now taps on this about, if anybody taps on home, home is not kind of same way. When anybody taps on contacts. When anybody taps on blog, it takes them to blog. Once,
3 pages.
yeah, it's not 3 pages, it's the same page. It's just that it takes you to where it is. You must have noticed that kind of thing when you tap on all this table of content. You just tap on it, just take it down there. So another thing you can do is that you can add this extra style of code. You can come back up and add this. You can add this. See, column roots. Column roots should be school behavior. Smooth. So anytime you come to the website and you do this, see what take you there.
Wait. Okay, if you tap on it, it will
Scroll back.
Yes, you just tap on contact.
that kind of transition stuff.
It's correct, it's correct.
Yes, sense, normally.
Okay, so that is that, yes. That is just a simple website. If its website is on one page, do this way. Let us do it that way. We are not using this way anymore, so let's leave it. So okay, we'll come back to header, move all of this.
We're not using this one.
We're not using this one. I'm teaching you now. I'm not teaching you one page website. Let me teach you how to make another page totally. So what I'm going to do is this. I'll copy all this.
Okay, now on a one-page website.
Now I'm going to make 100 pages. Remember I told you that if you make a website, the first page should be index. That is one page. So let us imagine this is our home. Let's just imagine this index, not the other one. Where's index? Index is here. So this index should be home page. This is our home for us. You have it? Wow. So we'll come back here. I want to make about, I want to make blog, I want to make content, different pages. So I can come back here and copy everything inside here. I want to write any code again. Copy everything inside here. I can go to about, paste it. Then I can see maybe I can change this text here to show that we're in the about page. I can change this to about. Let me see. This should be about us. Okay, so then I can change this to about. So because it's linked to this place, it will know this code will not work anymore. You know why? Because I just copied the code and pasted it here. All these things will not work. Last time I told you that if you're making any file, you make it outside. Now this one is inside here. If you're just saying CSS slash, it will not work because CSS is not inside pages, but it's outside. Abi? So this one was here. This one was here. CSS and this one is together, so it will be very easy. But now we're inside here. Yet. So what do we do? All you need to do is come back to the front. You have to first come out of CSS. I will come out of pages first. Just press // means come out. Then you see that CSS is there. Then CSS will work. Then header style will work. Without this code, if I copy part of this place, copy parts, open a new this space. You see, it's not working. But once we do the correct thing, we come back and refresh. That's one step. Second thing, our picture is not showing. Why? The same problem. It is because when we linked it, we just call images / we didn't put dots. All we need to do is come back here and put the // and we have it running. Okay? So when you put just put your / images. Because images is not inside here, it's outside. So you have to come out before we can go to the images. Perfect. Okay. Now we have about. Another sweet thing I can add. You know that since everything is linked,
Don't give up.
add one sweet CSS code to our. Remember we have something like this here on Hoover. Are we seeing? So this part here, this one is like Hoover, Abi. So we can add this extra code to this code. Remember if I add it, it affects every other thing that is written over CSS. So we can just put it here and see if it has active. Come out. If it has active, this code work for it. Or if it hover over it, this code work for it. So it means that to show that we are in about, I can just come to the about page. The about page, look for that link and add what? Class of active. Active class. I could dispatch this laptop.
Like my phone charger.
Why? Yes.
I beg him to
What's in this?
This one have quick selection.
Don't carry on.
last age.
The class of active. What's you see,
Just see how.
if we're in the home page, which is header is the home page, where's header? I can just add that same active into the home. You get just that immediately we are in the home, this class of active will make this home have that column. See, so if we are in about yeah, let's now do the same thing for the other one. So copy all this, we'll paste it inside contact or blog. Let's go to blog, paste it here, change this to this is the stress mail. This is the stress mail. Maybe I copy. Maybe I copy. Okay, so come back to your blog. Copy. We'll change this to contact us. Right? The thing will now change this active. So it's all been about. Which blog? Sorry. This system wants to kill me. So I will change it to. I am doing the same mistake. I'll put that here, babe. Then change it to blog.
This class, can you name it active?
Huh?
This class, can you name it active?
No, maybe you change it to something else. Make sure it is changed here. You get? This is what is making it work. If you use that active or on, I mean, as long as this one is working. So it means that any file that is linked to this one, we must use active for it to have that color. Right? So
If you change color like
just change it to one to affect all the other pages at the same time. That is the work of external CSS. So we are in the blog. I'll just change this to our blog. Okay, I'll copy all this and paste in contacts.
really they copy fast.
I just select everything now, like Control A, select all, then you paste. So yes, active is here. This is contact us. Contact us always here. Okay, so yes, we cannot see the work, but immediately I change this from about to contacts. I change it to blog. If I change it to header. Okay, so you see, now the problem is that I have to be changing from up here. What if I can just tap on this link and take it about, or tap on this link, take it to contacts, so that is where we have to link it, small. So first we have to go to the header page, which is the home page. Remember the header is like home. We don't need to write anything inside here because we are already inside the home. Okay? So what we are doing is I want to go from the home to the about. Where is about? About inside the pages. Header is here. So from header to go from here to about, we need to first enter pages. You follow them fast. About, HTML. You sound right to pages, contacts, HTML. Blog. Yeah. Sorry, pages first. Pages.
Reading pages up now.
The blog. After for each of them now, all of them, this page is inside pages. This file is inside pages, file is inside pages. You get? So we're going from header to this thing. That's why after pages slash. And home is empty because we are already in the home. So remember, this logo code is also to take us home. So we can leave it empty. Come back here, what will you see? once we are in the home page, I can now tap on about and take me to about. If I'm in the home page, I can tap on contacts, take me to contacts. If I'm on the home page, I can tap on blog, take me to blog. Then I means if I go to blog, I cannot tap back here like this. It will not, yes, I cannot tap anything because it is still empty in that file. So that means I have to go to the about and link back home. So I'll come back here and say this one is Ellis. This guy and this guy, two of them, they should go back to header. Header is where? Header is outside. It's not here. So you put dot slash. Something like that. Header. Then we are in about already. Leave it empty. Then contact. Is contact inside pages? We are inside pages already. Is there any to write pages slash again? Or should we write it? No need. Why did there? So just like contact, because contacts and pages about pages are in the same place. Wow, but I don't know if you can understand that. I don't understand it. They are in the same folder, so no need. Just like contact. Same thing for blog. Just like blog. And to work. Come back. Once you are in about, if you press home, take you home. If you are in about, if you press contact, contacts. Here, if you press from about to blog.
So must you click on the
of course now
back? Like must you click on it back before you can enter another one? Like just click
from contacts. Okay. So I'm just saying that I've linked it from the about to the other 3 pages. And so if I'm in the contact now, I'm stuck. I cannot go back. It's just refreshing. So I have to go to contact again and do all this kind of thing again. So I'll go to blog contacts and just do it sharp. Come back here and here. All the right here. Dot slash.
You have to do it again.
Yes, now each of the pages. Yes, each of the pages. Then about, just like about. Blog, about. It's working. All this on work. Go to blog. Do the same thing here.
So you do this in everything.
Yes, now. Don't you see how pages work? When you go to any website and they give you a link to go to the website, you can be able to go back and to go to all the other pages. So all these pages are interlinked. They are linking to each other. So if you come back here, I can just put dot slash header. About should be about. Contact should be contacts. Contacts. So about this one blog, leave it empty. So now from here, press blog, about, home. See, I don't want to be pressing back anywhere. Home, contact, go back home, press here, go back home. You get everything is linked. Now, because we use the same CSS, it means if later I now say, oh, this color I don't like and I want to change it, all I need to do is just go to one place. I'll just go back here. I'll just, the file, the CSS. I'll just go back here and say, okay, why is the CSS button? I need this. The color is orange red. Okay, I want to change it to green. All I need to do is come back here and change this one to green. And to affect all of them. All I need to now do, go back here. Bam, it's green. It's green now. It's green. I don't change it one by one. You get. That's the advantage. If you later say, this font, all the H1, I want to change them. Just change in one place to affect everything. This place is looking different. What do I do? Go back to settings to work, affect all of them at once. That is the good thing about using external CSS. Your assignment, we are going to make a new folder. Remember our first class, how I made a new folder for you? I told you to make a new folder, HTML, index.html, CSS, images, JavaScript, what I decided to make. This thing I going to make. We are going to make a new folder, a new page for yourself. We're going to make a new website, and that website will be about a shop. A shop. Making a website like a shop.
Can't link it to one I've done before.
You open this like no. Do everything like from the beginning. You do the header.
You make your navbar, you make your header, just that.
So you have to find out.
Yes, it's about a shop now, so you can choose that. Okay, I want to make a shop about Jumia.
You try to talk.
You can make it
Weekend man. Weekend man. This is how we do things. We don't just link out.
I'll make video for you. I'll send it to you.
So simple. You're making a website. The website will be on a shop. The shop can be a cereal shop.
How many pages?
it should be 4 pages. There will be one page.
Will you like this? So is there that opportunity?
Yes,
We
yes.
have okay. Here for clothes, here for bag, here for shoe,
Exactly.
here for pods.
Exactly.
It's not as
Just 4
bad.
pages. Link it together.
Simple, Jerry.
But use external CSS. You see what it is?
Up in the lock.
Use external CSS.